In this, the guardianship of the property of a minor. First is the legal guardian. So these are the legal guardians. Second is the guardian which is appointed by the court, means the certified guardian. When the court appoints a guardian to the minor, it is known as certified guardian. And third is the de facto guardian. De facto means a person is said to be a de facto guardian when he is neither under the personal law of the minor, that means the de jure guardian, and nor a guardian appointed by the court, and yet he voluntarily places himself in the charge of the minor's person and property. Means de facto means he is not binded to become the guardian, and nor he is appointed by the court, and then also he is ready to become the guardian of that person is known as the de facto guardian. Under the Mohammedan law, all relations except the father and the paternal grandfather and any stranger can be the de facto guardian. So the powers of the de facto guardian: a de facto guardian may alienate the movable property of the minor in the case of the necessity, but he cannot alienate his immovable property. An alienation of a minor's immovable property without the authority of the court by the de facto guardian is absolutely void, means the permission of the court must be taken. And the fourth kind of the guardianship is the testamentary guardian. A guardian appointed under a will is called testamentary guardian. Under a will, only persons who are entitled to appoint a guardian of the property of a minor by the will are his father and the father's father. Testamentary guardian. So in this concept of kinds of guardianship, first is the guardianship by marriage, jabr. Second is the guardianship of a person of a minor. It is known as hizanat, means the mother and her relations. Second is the father and his relation and husband. These three comes under the guardianship of a person of a minor. Third is the guardianship of the property of a minor. In this third kind, the guardianship of the property of a minor, first is the legal guardian. Legal means he is binding to be the guardian of that person. Second is the guardian appointed by the court, means the certified guardian. And third is the de facto guardian, means he is neither the legal and nor he is appointed by the court, then also he voluntarily becomes the guardian of that child, is known as the de facto guardian. And fourth is the testamentary guardian, means the guardian which is appointed under a will is known as testamentary guardian. So these are the kinds of guardianship.